Here we have a Morgan Roadster, finished in lovely metallic red. Headlamp grills, mesh grill, lovely badge eye with all the badges, overriders, stained swire wheels, Union Jacks, extra wing treads, eared spinners, lucky track with side screen storage, full mohair weather equipment, lovely dashboard with walnut inserts, motor liter steering wheel, and the polished stalk cover. It's got door check straps, radio CD, elasticated door pockets, pair of sun visors, previously sold by us. It's done 47,000 miles, overall in good condition. Got the chrome interior mirror, it's got round exterior mirrors which are the better quality ones, so you can actually see out the back. Awesome. And best of all is that it has power steering fitted. So obviously, being a Roadster, it's a 3 litre Ford engine with a 5-speed gearbox, produces about 220 brake horsepower. It's available for Allon Whites on 01234 750 205. Thank you for viewing.